Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload video to Drive from laptop. Open your Chrome browser in a new tab, click on Google Apps and select Drive. Now click on New and choose the option New Folder. Assign the desired name and click on Create. Access your folder. Now in the folder, click on New and choose File Upload. Select your video and click on Open. Wait for it to be loaded. Now you can select this video and click on Copy Link if you want to share it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.